Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson 2.6 Advise Customers. Through the previous video, I explained the information, basic information, and also this given advertisement, that is of one of the fast food items, crispy crunchy. In the same video, I explained the activities given in exercise based on the first advertisement, and here through this video I am going to talk about the second advertisement given in the same lesson. You might have watched many of the advertisements about fairness creams, right? So here we have such a type of advertisement. Let us see the given dialogues and also the pictures beside. First dialogue, it is here. Didi, look at this, my new dress for the party. Where is yours? No party for me. It is what? Here is a discussion between two girls. They are sisters of each other, where the younger one is telling about the dress to her Didi, her elder sister, and Didi simply replied, no party for me. Second one, conversation between the same girl and her father. See what the father says. Bitiya Rani, tap tap tap, my new shoes for the party. Where are yours? And again the reply of the girl is same, no party for me. Next one, the girl and her mother. Bitiya Rani, ting ting ting, choose new bangles for the party. She replies, no party for me. Next one, here is the discussion between the same girl and there is another one. You can observe that other girl is looking fair. What's the matter? Why are you sad? Here is the reply of that Didi or that girl. My skin is so dark, I feel so bad. No party for me. So here we came to know why the girl is saying no party for her. That simply she thinks that her skin is dark, she is not fair. Here is the solution. Is that all? Don't worry, solve your problem with Hema Gauri. Here Hema Gauri is the name of fairness cream. So this girl tells her the solution, that is fairness cream Hema Gauri. Here is some more information about the cream. It is here, 5 days to fairness. Simply, if one uses this cream, it is said that the person can become fair in 5 days only. Further, Hema Gauri will make your skin shine. Be fair as a fairy with Hema Gauri. And here is the picture of that fairness cream. And at last, the price and offer. Let us see. Rupees 10 off on every 100 gram tube or bottle. So this is offer, 10 rupees off. Hurry, offer closes on 1st April. So in this way, the advertisement about the fairness cream is done. But what is the reality? Let us see. My teacher says, who says black is not beautiful? Of course, black is also beautiful. Let us see. The color of your skin has nothing to do with your beauty. It's more important to be healthy, neat and tidy if you want people to like your looks. So if you want to look beautiful, you must be healthy, you must be neat and you must be tidy. What is further? You should eat well, exercise well, sleep well and drink enough water to get a healthy glowing skin. So if anyone wants to have a glowing skin, healthy skin, rather than using fairness creams, the person should eat well, exercise well, sleep well and drink enough water. Never feel bad about the color of your skin or your natural looks. Be careful when you try fairness creams, they may have side effects. So using the fairness creams shown in advertisement may have side effects on your skin. So one must be careful about it. This is all about the given advertisement and what is the fact to have a beautiful look that is given here. Now let us see activities based on the second advertisement. First one, enact the ad by playing the roles of Didi and her relatives. One more child acts as the salesman of Hema Gauri and presents the text given in the white letters in pink bubbles. It is whatever advertisement given here that you have to perform. So all these persons or these characters will require to do so. Let us see now second one. Discuss the following questions after you have seen a presentation of the ad. First one, why does Didi say no party for me? Why she says so? Why she says so? It is because she feels sad that her skin is dark, or she thinks that she has dark skin and she feels sorry for that, sad for that. Next one, can you become fair in 5 days? What do you think? Can you become fair in 5 days? The answer is simply no, or you can write maybe little, or one can become little fair in 5 days. How long will the effect of the cream last? So using such a cream, fairness cream, can make a person fair. But if it is so, then how long the effect lasts? So what is the answer? It is simply maybe a few days. The effect of that cream may be for few days. If you use for a few days, you will see the effect for few days only. Next one. Will you love your brother or sister only if she is fair? If your brother is fair, sister is fair, then only you will love him or her. Is it right? Of course not, right? So answer is no. I will love him or her because of his or her qualities. Next one. Think of the people you like. Do you like them because they have fair white skin or because of some qualities? List those qualities. So whatever persons you are in contact, so do you like them because of their fair skin or do you like them because of their qualities? So whatever answer you may have, that you have to write. So simply you can write I like people because of their fair skin, if you think this part only. If you give preference to qualities, so you have to write I like people because of their qualities. And what qualities? So you can write their qualities such as helpfulness, kindness, friendliness, then love, etc. Next, third one. Who do you think benefits most from commercial advertisement? Commercial, the advertisement done for business purpose to earn money. So who do you think benefits the most? Who is the person or who is that gets the highest benefit out of it? The answer is the owner of the company who sells the product. The owner of the company who sells the product Next one, Have you seen non-commercial advertisements? Non-commercial means those that are not selling anything but only giving people useful information. So such advertisements are also seen on the TVs, some are there in newspapers too, right? Means advertisement in which any product is not sold, such advertisement are simply giving information. So have you seen any of them? So you can simply write yes. You might have seen the advertisement about prohibition of smoking, how smoking is prohibited. Such a advertisement you might have seen. Then you might have seen the advertisement of polio dose. Then maybe about maintaining cleanliness in the surrounding, maintaining hygiene, etc. Such advertisements are simply non-commercial advertisement. They are done to give information, give useful information to the people. Next one, write a useful ad for importance of games, drinking enough water, your own school. So first of all, you have to write importance of games, then importance of drinking enough water, and then the importance of your school. And point wise you have to present it as an advertisement. So this is all about the second advertisement from this lesson, and all the activities based on this advertisement. I hope you might have found this explanation helpful, so that you can do this activity easily.